Hi there, it's Marissa at Concourse, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send documents through Parchment using Concourse. Parchment is the most widely adopted digital credential service, allowing for secure document sending. And accessing Parchment through Concourse is super simple, so let's get started. The very first step is going to be to compile the supplemental application documents for your students. Document management through Concourse allows you and your students to be uploading documents to the same place. So students can see the documents the counselors have uploaded and vice versa. Why don't we start in the student view? If we click into My Applications, you can see this Add Document button on the right. And from here, the student is able to select the type of document, name the document, select the file from their computer, and to upload. This next piece is important. The student is then able to assign the document to a particular university. In order for the document to be able to be sent through Parchment, it needs to be assigned to a university. Some documents, like a personal essay, would only be assigned to one university, while a passport copy might be assigned to multiple. The universities that populate as options for a particular student are those universities who appear on the student's shortlist. In order for a document to be assigned to a university, that university must be listed on the student shortlist. A university can be added to a student shortlist as either a concourse or a counselor recommendation or as the student's idea. For more information on this step, you can watch the Adding University Options and Ideas tutorial. So for this document, let's assign it to a few different universities and click Upload. And you can see that document has appeared once for each university. As I mentioned earlier, documents can be uploaded by both the student and the counselor. So if we click over to the counselor's login and find that same student, we can click into the Applications tab and view those three documents we've just uploaded. So the passport copy for each of these three universities. And from here, you can see the counselor is also able to add documents in the very same way. They can select the document type. So why don't we select a letter of recommendation, name the document, select the file, and upload. From here, you are also able to assign this document to a particular university. So let's assign to University of Connecticut. And you can see there's a new option that's available for counselors that was not there for students. And that would be to make the document private. This is great for documents like letters of recommendation, which are often not made visible to students. So if we upload and click back to the student's view and click refresh, you can see the document is visible. But as these three documents have these dots, allowing the students to edit the document, upload and replace, download, or delete, this document, which was made private, does not have those options. So there is not the option to download, delete, or replace. So the student can see that it is ready, but they're not able to view the text within the documents. Okay, great. Once your students have uploaded their documents and are ready to begin the submission process, you can click into Document Sending. Remember, Parchment integration is something that needs to be activated for your account. So if you do not see the document sending button, reach out to our team and we can activate the Parchment integration for you. It's also important to remember that while Parchment works with thousands of universities around the world, not all universities accept documents through Parchment. So the only documents that will be shown within Doc Sending are those who have been uploaded and assigned to a university that accepts documents through Parchment. Within the document sending page, you can select a particular student to look at, and then you'll see all of the documents uploaded by that student or for that student that are eligible for sending through Parchment. And from here, you can select the documents you'd wish to send and click Send Documents. After clicking Send Documents, you'll see the status change through several stages from not sent to in progress and finally delivered. Once the document has been delivered, the text will change to green, and when you hover over the delivered, you'll be able to view a timestamp for the time of delivery. And that's how you send documents through Parchment right on the Concourse platform. Thanks for watching.